In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a comment on Jira. This is a quick and straightforward process that can enhance your Jira interactions by providing visual context to your comments. Whether you're annotating a bug, providing feedback, or simply sharing a visual update, adding an image can make communication clearer and more efficient. Let's dive into the steps. First, you need to locate the issue where you want to insert the image within your Jira project board or backlog. It's essential to navigate to the correct issue to ensure your image is attached to the appropriate context and conversation. Once you've found the correct issue, click on the comment field to begin drafting your comment. This is where you'll enter not just your text, but also where the image will be placed. Ensure you're in edit mode so that all your changes are recorded. Next, look for the icon that allows you to add an image, video, or file. This should be clearly visible in the comment editing toolbar. Clicking on this icon will open up a File Explorer window, giving you access to your computer's files. With the File Explorer open, navigate to the image you want to upload. Once you've found it, select the image and click on Open. This selection process allows Jira to attach the image to your comment. Make sure the image file is correctly selected, as this is what will be displayed alongside your comment. Alternatively, there's an even quicker way to add your image. Simply drag and drop the image file directly into the comment field. This method is especially convenient if you have the image readily accessible on your desktop or open in a folder, saving you a few clicks. After you have the image uploaded, double check your comment. It's a good idea to ensure that both your text and the image accurately convey the information or feedback you intend to share. If needed, you can still make adjustments to your comment or reposition the image within the text. Finally, once you're satisfied with your comment and the image attachment, click Save. This action confirms and posts your comment, complete with the image, to the issue in Jira. Your colleagues can now view this enriched comment, benefiting from the additional context the image provides. And there you have it, you've successfully added an image to a comment in Jira. This simple process can greatly enhance communication within your team, making complex issues more understandable and collaborative efforts more efficient. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope this guide helps you to improve your workflow and communication within Jira. Happy commenting!